Welcome to the online mathematics class. In last lecture, we saw theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. The statement of this theorem is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Suppose we are having a triangle PQR and point S on ray QR, then angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR. Angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR, and angle PQR and angle QPR, these two angles are interior angles, remote interior angles of the exterior angle PRS. So from the statement of theorem, we can say angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. That is, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. And we also given the proof for this theorem. Today we will see property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose that we are having two positive integers a and b. We are having two positive numbers a and b. If we add a plus b, it is greater than a, and if we add a plus b, it is greater than b. That means when we having two positive numbers a and b, and if we add both the numbers a plus b, then we get a plus b is greater than a and a plus b is greater than b. By using this inequality, we get one property related to exterior angle of a triangle. See, suppose we are having a triangle PQR and take a point S on ray QR. Then angle PRS is an exterior angle of a triangle PQR. Here angle PRS is a exterior angle of a triangle PQR, and angle PQR and angle QPR, these two angles are remote interior angle of this exterior angle PRS. So in triangle PQR, angle PRS is an exterior angle of a triangle PQR. Here angle PRS is always greater than angle P. Angle PRS is always greater than angle P, and angle PRS is also greater than angle Q, because angle P and angle Q, these two angles are remote interior angle of this exterior angle. And we know that by the theorem of remote interior angle, exterior angle, that is angle PRS, is equal to angle P plus angle Q, because angle P and Q, these two angles are remote interior angles. And we know that the theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of remote interior angle, sum of its remote interior angles. So definitely angle PRS is greater than angle P, and angle PRS is greater than angle Q. So from this we can say an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. Remember this point, an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. An exterior angle, angle PRS, is greater than its remote interior angles. Angle PRS is greater than angle P, and angle PRS is greater than angle Q, because angle P and angle Q, these two angles are remote interior angle of the exterior angle PRS, and an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. Remember this property. Now we will see solved example. Example number 1. The measures of angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find the measure. Here The measure of angles of a triangle are given in that ratio 5 as to 6, 6 as to 7, and we have to find the measure of the angles of a triangle. Here angles of a triangles are in the ratio as 5 as to 6 as to 7. Here ratio is given 5 as to 6 as to 7. So we can take x as a common multiple of the ratio 5 as to 6 as to 7. We choose x as a common multiple. So solution, let the measures of angles of a triangle are 5x, 6x and 7x. We take x is a common multiple of the ratio 5 as to 6 as to 7. So we can write, let the measure of angles of a triangle are 5 as to 6, 6x, 5x, 6x and 7x. We know that triangle is given, so we know that the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. 5x plus 6x 11x, 11x plus 7x 18x. Then next step we can write 18x is equal to 180 degree. Here we are having 18x is equal to 180 degree. Then here 18 is multiplied to this x, so it goes to the denominator when it goes to the right hand side. So we're having 180 degree upon 18. X is equal to 180 degree upon 18. So 18 ones are 18, 18 tens are 180. So we're having x is equal to 10 degree. Next, here we're having the measures of triangles are 5x, 6x and 7x. So put the value of x, then we have 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50 degree, 6x is equal to 6 into 10 is equal to 60 degree, and 7x is equal to 7 into 10 is equal to 70 degrees. So the measure of angles of a triangle are 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. This is the required answer. Now we will see example number second. Observe figure 3.4. Find the measures of a angle PRS and angle RTS. Figure is given and we have to find out the measure of angle PRS, this angle, and angle RTS, this angle. Here we have to find measure of angle PRS and angle RTS. Here we have to complete the activity. So here we are having two triangles, see, PQR and angle and triangle RTS, triangle PQR and triangle RTS. See, triangle PQR, when we choose triangle PQR, see here angle PRS, this angle PRS is an exterior angle of this triangle PQR. Angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. So from the theorem of remote interior angle, we can say angle PRS is equal to the sum of its interior angles, angle PQR plus angle QPR. These two angles are remote interior angles of this exterior angle PRS. So we can write angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. And the measure of angle PQR is given 40 degree and the measure of angle QPR is 30 degree. So angle PRS is equal to 40 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 70 degree. So we are having angle PRS is equal to 70 degree. Now we have to find the measure of angle RTS. So see, in triangle RTS, see triangle RTS. Now here we are having the measure of angle PRS. If we are having angle measure of angle PRS as a 70 degree, so we can write TRS is also 70 degree, because PRS is 70 degree, so TRS is also 70 degree. Now in this triangle RTS we having the measure of angles TRS as 70 degree and TSR as 20 degree. And now here we have to find out the measure of angle RTS only. So in triangle RTS we know that the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle TRS plus angle RTS plus angle TSR, and here 180 degree. That is the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now angle TRS plus angle RTS plus angle TSR. So here measure of angle TRS is 70 degree, because PRS is 70 degree, then we can write TRS is also 70 degree. So angle TRS is equal to what? 70 degree plus angle RTS plus, now measure of angle TSR. TSR is given 20 degree. So here we can write 20 degree. So now 70 plus 20, 90 degree. So we are having next step, angle RTS is plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to find the measure of angle RTS. So here we can solve this. RTS is equal to this 90 degree is positive on left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side it becomes negative. So we can write 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So the measure of angle RTS is what? 90 degree. So here we can write 90 degree. This is required solution.